In this video, I'll show you how to edit a SharePoint document. There are two ways to edit documents in SharePoint. I'll show you how to edit documents in the online version, and then I'll also show you how to open the documents in something like Word and make edits there. We'll also talk about how to edit documents collaboratively with your peers. First, you'll need to find the document. If you receive the document as a link in an email or a Skype, you can click the link and get to the document that way. Or if you come to your document library, we'll scroll down and find the document that we want to work with today. We're going to make edits to Meeting Summary 3. I'll get to the document by clicking on the name. And now the web version of Microsoft Word has opened. The web version doesn't show the formatting as well as the desktop app, so if you're just needing to make a quick edit, you would use this version. If you're needing to make more significant edits or verify the formatting of a document, you would want to open the document in the desktop app. Now I'll make my edits. I'm going to change deer to the word trees, so I'll just click in the document where I would like to make the change. In this case, I'm going to highlight deer, delete it, and then I'm going to type trees. If you see up here, SharePoint is automatically saving the document for me, so I don't need to click on the Save button. If I close this by clicking the X for the tab and open the document again, I'll see my change. I'm going to click on Meeting Summary 3, and I can see that my change saved right here. The other way to edit in SharePoint is in the desktop app. To get to the desktop app, you'll click up here where it says Open in Desktop App. And the document will open. Your browser may give you a pop-up asking if you want to open the document in Word, and if it does, you'll just say yes. Or you'll click on the button that says Open in Word. So here, I could change this back to deer. So I'll just click in the document how I would if I was editing in Microsoft Word. I'll change the words. And as you can see, SharePoint is automatically saving your document for you again. If you just want to verify that it was saved, you can click right here on the Save button, and the document will also save that way. Once you're finished with your edits, you can click the X to close the window. And then I'll go back, I'm going to close this box, I'll go back and look at my document library, and I'll open that document and I can see my changes. So I'll click again on Meeting Summary 3, and I can see that my changes were saved. It now says to discuss deer, not trees. Another feature of SharePoint is that it allows you to collaboratively edit documents with other people. This means that two people can work on the same document at the same time, and it'll show each person the other's edits. I'm on my SharePoint site, and I've gone to the document library by clicking on the Documents link. I found the document that I need to work on. I'm going to work on the Meeting Summary 3 document. I'll go to it by clicking on the name. And when I scroll down, I can see that someone else is working on this document. And I know that because there's this indicator. If I put my mouse on top of the indicator, it shows me the name of the other person who's working on the document, and it shows me what they're doing. I can see the other person's typing right here. And I can see the words as they're typing. I can make edits as the other person is making their edits. SharePoint saves both of our changes automatically. So if I close this window and I go back to look at the document again by clicking on the name, I see my edit. I changed right here to test, and I also see the other person's edits.